Welcome to the Windows 8 channel, and today we're going to show you how to do a test page, how to print a test page on your printer in Windows 8 in this Back to Basics episode. Now, printing a test page is interesting for several reasons. First of all, if you had printer troubles and you're not sure if it's okay, well, instead of printing a multi-page document to test it out, you can actually just do a test page, which will show you if your printer is back online, if it's working. Another reason why a test page is interesting, if you use inkjet printers, the ink can dry up if you don't use it for a long period of time. And you know what? That's probably one of the most problematic things in inkjets, is that when you don't use them, the printhead might actually dry up, and even the ink. So by doing a test page every 3 weeks to a month, it kind of makes the ink flow through the printer's head and actually helps in maintaining a working printer. So how do you actually do a test page on your printer? It's very easy. Go into the Start button on the bottom left of your screen, right click on it, and go into the control panel. If you have the category view, under hardware and sound, you'll see that the first item is view devices and printers. But if you are in the icon view, then you'll see devices and printers in that list. Simply click there. It will show you all devices on your computer. It might take several minutes before it can actually show everything. In my case, it takes a long time because I have a lot of devices, and they've actually jammed a lot of stuff where the printer is in Windows 8, which is not necessarily the best idea in the world, but unfortunately that's the way it's done. Here you'll see your printers. Now, one of the first things you might have noticed, or maybe not, is that when a printer is offline, very often the icon will be kind of grayed out. So that's one thing you can check for. The other thing is, when you have your printer, simply right click on the printer itself and you'll see printer properties. Now be careful, don't go to the properties at the bottom. That will not bring you to the same place. What you want to do is simply go right click on the printer and go into printer properties. This is always visible. The only thing is, depending on your printer, this menu will be bigger or smaller and have more or less items. But printer properties is going to be in that choice, in that list. Once you click there, you'll see this little window appear, and at the bottom right you have print test page. Simply click here and it's gonna actually ask you, maybe do you really want to print a test page, or it's probably just gonna do it. Depends on the printer you're using. Some printers, you'll have the question, do you want to print a test page? You just click the yes button. But in other printers, there's nothing. It just prints. And well, hopefully, if everything's right and working in good order, well, you should have a Windows 8 test page that will print up. It's also a neat way to know if your printer is working properly, if the colors and the ink is flowing correctly also. So that's as easy as that, and you'll have a test page. And usually when the test page works, it means that your printer will print. There's just no question about it. Your printer will be printing anything if the test page works. If you have any comments, questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you like our videos. Why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online, and you'll be joining community of more than 10,000 subscribers now. So it's really cool to see that people are enjoying my videos. And thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.